airplane. Today we will be making this paper airplane. This flies really good. First you take this and fold it into there. So it's folded as a hot dog, and then you crease it. Then you take it out and fold it into the middle. Crease it. Take the other one and do the same thing. Then you fold it down and crease it, so it should look like that. And you need scissors right now, so you should get some scissors. And then, but first you need to fold this in. Crease it, and then right here you just cut a square. Just right there, cut a square. So when you're done with that, you don't need it, just throw it in the trash. So it should look like this. And then fold this down into the center. And you fold the other one down into the center. Then this little there should be a little triangle. Then you fold it up so it looks like that. Then fold it in. And crease it. It's not a hard airplane. So it's like that, and then you grab somewhere right there, so it makes that. That's gonna be the wing. And then you can take the other one.